So one of the things I do like, I moved that around a little bit. I think maybe that's okay. One of the things I like quite a bit actually is watches, and I like testing smartwatches especially. But I also like just traditional watches because, you can get some really, really nice, high quality watches that are out there that are just super nice. And for a lot of us too, maybe it's dressy, classy night and we don't want to be wearing like our Apple Watch or our whatever smartwatch. We want a nice, traditionally nice, cool looking watch. I like that too. And I have 2 or 3 watches that are mechanical watches. No smart stuff. Because the other nice thing too is if you're going out, maybe you're going out on date night, right? Maybe you're going out on a business meeting. Maybe you're going, whatever. And you want your focus to be on that person. Then a smartwatch, I find, it's distracting because you can watch somebody for a whole night. And just if they have a smartwatch, they're always checking this out because it's vibrating or whatever it's doing, right? So I do like to have a mechanical watch. And I've got a couple different colors because depending on what I'm wearing, yes? Anyways, these guys here, OLTO 8, reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out one of their watches. And I was like, yeah, let's do it. I'm down for it. And they said, try out one of our Infinity 2 watches. So choose a color, we'll send one to you. And I was like, cool. Number one, first, before you even go any further, if you go to their webpage for the first time, you get 25% off. So if you watch this video before you go to their website and you're like, yeah, make sure you just don't kind of get off this page because you may be able to get 25% off. And these watches aren't necessarily inexpensive. So 25% could be a good thing. So they do have the Infinity 1, so you can see a couple of them here. It's very circular, which actually I kind of like that. The green one's sharp. I like that one actually right there. It's nice. The Infinity 2, which is what I got, and again some different color ones. The iron, nice and square. The reef, they're all quite lovely. Oh, I like that one. The Explorer, that's blue with silver. Ooh, that's sharp. But there's your prices, right? $499. The reef, $499. The iron, $550. The Infinity, anywhere from $600 to $660. The Infinity 1, and then back to your home page. So I have fortunately, been able to get from OLTO 8 the Infinity 2, and I was very close to getting this green one. That was very close, but I was like, you know what? I kind of want a white watch. So that's what we asked because I like this white and blue. It's just kind of cool, right? So there's all the different ones. They have different kind of faces too, depending on if you want the numbers or if you want the Roman numerals, etc., etc. And it doesn't really tell you a whole lot. You guys can go take a look on their website if you want to get more information. But we're gonna take a look at the box. We're gonna open it and we're gonna see what we think of this. All right, so this is how it came, and you'll see here it's got a little bit of a. Now I don't blame that on them by any means. I blame that on the delivery people for sure. Yes, right, delivery trucks. But what's nice about it is it comes nicely protected, and this is really the box that we care about. This box, you can go over there. So we get this lovely OLTO 8. And it's a lovely heavy duty box. Hopefully you guys can see that, right? It's, yeah, no, it's good, right? To the best time, right? Then it has your web address right down there. Excellent. Time to the best time. I'm not sure what to the best time means, but whatever. We're going to slide that down. Okay. And reveal. So, number one, this is your warranty. OLTO 8 gladly offers a limited warranty covering defects in materials and manufacturing for a period of 2 years after the original purchase date from an authorized OLTO 8 retailer. So make sure it's authorized. Don't go buying it, for somebody that's not authorized. Warranty does not cover the case, crystal, crown, pusher, straps, or any changes that occur during use and not from manufacturing or assembly. That's a little weird. Because I get this part, right? not cover the case crown, because those are all kinds of things that from banging it that we could possibly break it. But it says it's a not from manufacturing or assembly, but I'm not 100% sure on that. This warranty is considered void if you open the case back, which completely understood. Push the buttons underwater or expose your watch to moisture beyond the recommendations. So here's the thing. If you're going to get a watch like that, don't go swimming with it. Don't go in the ocean with it. You know, don't go showering with it. This, for me, this is a watch that I would be using, like I said, date night. It's classy night, right? Proof of purchase is required. Yep. For all warranty claims. So please save a copy of your receipt. And they reserve the right to not accept a warranty claim if the watch has evidence of excessive wear or misuse. So here's my hope in anybody that has got this watch or any of the OLTO 8 watches. If you ever have a warranty claim, please leave a comment below letting us know how your experience was, because there's a lot of things that they're saying we don't, right? Which is valid, because a lot of companies do that. But I also want to see how well they are in actually giving you warranty support. So leave one down below, because I'm curious. You do get I don't really know what these are. Oh, this is like your, this is like your card. You get a fancy card that you can use with your model and all that kind of stuff on it. So you just bring that in and be like, here's my information. I'm classy. This would be your, I don't know what that is. This is your, it's a nice box. Like, it's all put together really nice. You know, it's a little different because it's not all together, right? So a lot of times when you're spending that kind of money, I think on a watch, it's weird that you have to put it together. That just seems a little strange to me. The Perfect Life works in 6, yeah. It's like their stories. Oh, here's your specifications, adjusting the time. Okay, I was like, this is Infinity 1, but it also has the Infinity 2. There you go. So we got both. Adjusting the time, how do you do it, time reading, etc., etc. Cool. And it has English on one side, and it looks like Chinese or Japanese, something like that on the other side. So be it. All right, that's fine. It's legible. That's good. Then you have the straps. And as far as straps go, these look like they are just traditional style, right? You guys can see that there. Traditional style watch straps, right? You just have the pins that go in and out. Nice quality. Looks like a standard sport band type, strap that you'd get. Example, like that kind of white. We'll see over time how it does for gathering dirt, I guess. I like that. That's got a blue accent on it. You see that? Oh, I do like that. That's sharp. And then this is your tag, I guess. And this, because again, I was going to say, because I'm classy, I was going to just chew it off, but I got a knife. Let's just try not to cut my own fingers. Cool. All right, so we got the bands, white. And here it is. So this is it. And I do, when you're spending this, it's weird that it comes unput together. So I got the ones with normal numbers. It is a little bit of a weird design. You know what I'm saying? Because you look at this and you're like, all the numbers are across the top, and then you have numbers at the bottom. I'm honestly, I'm going to have to look at this and learn how to tell the time, because it's got hands and things like moving all over the place that I'm like, I don't even understand. Like, I don't understand what time it is when I look at this, So a little bit of me having to figure out, but I leave that. Look at that though. It's just a little tick, 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 tick. Hey, is that? I wonder if this is like a self-winding watch, because a lot of times that's what these are, right? See how that is? Right, and that's like, I gotta read up a little bit more, but I have a feeling maybe those are they're self-winding. All right, so I'm looking at here, specifications, Swiss Super Luminova movement. Swiss movement, that's nice. Movement is OLTO 8 it is self-winding. Self-winding mechanical 21 joules, 21600 BPH, 42-hour power reserve. 180 retrograde style hour and minute hands. 180 degrees. So it's not full. That's weird. I got to get used to that. Hand finished stainless steel. It says Italy leather with built-in quick release spring bar system. Really? That's leather? I get maybe. Yeah. Okay, they're saying it's leather. Now that I'm feeling it, it does. It feels different. All right. Okay. Case dimensions 44 millimeters by 12.8. Strap 22 millimeters by 20. Weight 95 grams. And I will say it's got a little bit of weight to it for sure. Now it does have this how to adjust the time. First off, I'm gonna have to figure. I see it talks about time reading. How do you read this? So I'm gonna have to learn that, and you guys should learn that too when you get it. Anyways, this has its own little plastic piece on it. See, it's got this shrink wrap. I've never had a self-winding watch before. That is super exciting. Self-winding. It's like living in the past, also in the future. Look at that. That is slick. That's nice. And I think, I don't know if it matters, but I'm thinking that, does it matter which way this goes? I don't know. I don't know if it does. I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, so I'm going in here. Yes. Followed by this. Followed by this. Okay, there it is. I'm in. So you can see here too, like, and I always find the whites, like, it's hard to get them to match perfectly. And I would say the band, and it's hard, you guys may or may not be see, I don't know if it'll catch that because it's white. The band and the watch face, like, they're pretty good. Because a lot of times, you know, you look at a watch face and it's white, and then you look at the watch band and it's not quite the same white. I find that with whites and with black sometimes too. But this one looks like it matches pretty good. And then we'll put the bottom one in. And I love a good large watch face. I do. I'm going to say that. And that's it. That's in. Do you see this? Look at that. Self-winding. Does this have more? It does. So it has a little sticker on the back for protection as well. So make sure you can take that off. If you choose, you don't have to. There it is. One on the front. One on the back. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ready? Oh, that's nice. That is nice. What's funny is, usually I'm like, let's show you how to use the app. Let's show you how to use all the goodness. No. Oh, I'm down. I chose wisely. That's white snazzy. I like that. That's good. I'm going to go figure out how to use it, but I think that's a lovely watch, and that's a nice size. I'm down, for sure. Totally down. All right, guys, if you have any questions on it down the road, let me know, because I think I'm going to wear this for a while, and hopefully I can learn how to set it, you know, because I think that's important as well. All right, guys, this is the OLTO 8 self-winding Infinity 2 watch. That's nice, right? All right, guys, links down below if you're interested. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I will see you guys next video. Again, leave comments below if you're curious about this. All right, I'm out. Later.